Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. Anshu Mishra. I am a board certified cosmetic and plastic surgeon practicing in Dubai. And today in this video, I am going to talk in detail about the breast augmentation procedure. So let me begin with what is breast augmentation. Breast augmentation is a cosmetic surgery procedure to increase the fullness and to enhance the shape of the breast. And it can be done by two techniques, either by using silicone gel implants which can be placed under the muscle or behind the breast tissue, or by using fat grafting technique in which liposuction is done and the fat is removed from the stubborn areas of the body, which is then processed and injected into the breast to increase the size. So this is a very common question which is being asked by women, that is breast augmentation same as breast implant? As I explained earlier, breast augmentation is a procedure for breast enhancement, but breast implant is a mechanism which is being used to increase the fullness. Many women, they also want to know whether breast augmentation procedure is a safe surgery or not. So getting the plastic surgery procedure done is very personal, and you should always weigh the benefits and the risk before you opt for it. So the certain complications and risks that I would like to discuss with regard to the breast augmentation procedure are bleeding, infection, wound healing complications, anesthesia risk, malposition of the implant, formation of capsule around the implant which can lead to capsular contracture, decreased sensation in the nipple areola complex. There can be stretching of the skin of the breast, there can be wrinkling of the overlying skin. There are some rare complications like breast implant illness, breast implant associated ALCL, and I suggest that you should always talk in detail about all these possible risks and complications before you go ahead with this procedure. So what are the steps involved in the breast augmentation procedure? The first step entails the administration of the general anesthesia so that the procedure is painless. The second step is giving an incision. It can be given either around the areola or underneath in the breast crease or in the armpit. I usually prefer giving an incision in the breast crease for breast augmentation procedures. The third step is formation of a pocket, and the fourth step is insertion of the breast implant, which can be done either under the muscle or behind the breast tissue. The final step is closure of the incision, which is done under magnification in layers so that you can get a perfect scar. How long does the breast augmentation procedure take? The procedure takes around 1.5 to 2 hours, and it is a daycare procedure. You can come in the morning, get the procedure done, and can be discharged back the same day. How much does the breast augmentation procedure cost? The cost of breast augmentation procedure is somewhere around 25 to 30,000 dirhams. This includes the anesthesia fees, the hospital charges, medical test, as well as the post-surgery compression garment. Now this cost can vary depending on the experience of the surgeon, the location of the hospital, what kind of technologies which are being used in the hospital, and the kind of implants that are being used. So in this video, I have talked about the breast augmentation procedure, what are the types, and what are the risks and complications associated, and what is the average cost of this procedure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Do subscribe to our channel. This will keep us motivated to make more informative videos. If you have any queries, you can write in to us. I will be happy to answer. Thanks for watching.